Starting this Wednesday, Reddit is officially rolling out new restrictions for users under 18. What does that mean? Teen accounts will now come with stronger safeguards. Chats will be more restricted, personalized and sensitive ads will be removed, and users under 18 will no longer have access to NSFW or mature content. Essentially, Reddit is creating a safer, age-appropriate space for younger users. So why the sudden push? A lot of it comes from Australia, which recently passed a law banning social media access for users under 16. Platforms like Reddit, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and others now have to comply or risk fines of up to 49.5 million Australian dollars. Even though the law is Australian, Reddit has decided to roll out teen protections globally. That means anywhere in the world, under 18 users will see these restrictions applied to their accounts. What does this mean for parents and teens? For one, it helps reduce exposure to harmful content and risky online interactions, but it doesn't make the platform completely risk-free. Age verification, account controls, and guidance from parents are still essential. For Australian teens under 16, the situation is stricter. Accounts could be blocked entirely. For everyone else, the platform is simply more limited but still usable. In short, if you're a teen on Reddit, expect a more curated, safer experience. If you're a parent, now is a great time to check your teen's account settings and discuss online safety. Reddit's move shows how social media platforms are responding to both legal pressures and the growing need for teen online safety. And while these changes won't solve every problem, they're an important step toward protecting younger users online.